Series. I'm sorry that the Wild Weather book is not in stock, but we have lots of other alternatives that I think you'll be really happy with, and the 5-year-old in your life will be as well. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this around so the books don't appear backwards, but these, I have a 5-year-old as well, and a 7-year-old and a 10-year-old. So these are all books that we enjoy in our own family. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this around. So this one is, let me zoom it out just a little bit. This is the weather book. And so this one talks about like the position of the sun in relation to the earth and the other planets. And then this is, let me try and do this here with just one hand, but it's really cool because it has this ribbon that you can make it. So this is talking about the sun and how far away it is from the earth. This one's talking about the water cycle and how water evaporates and goes up into the clouds and then comes back down again. This one, since he clearly enjoys weather, is about hurricanes and tornadoes. You can see as you turn it what happens when a tornado blows through, and then it gives you more information over here as well. So this would be another idea. That's our weather book. And then this one, maybe he's starting to kind of age out of this, but I wanted to show it to you anyway because still my 5-year-old and 7-year-old enjoy it, but it's a little more basic. It's a Lift the Flap book. It's from our first questions and answers series, What Makes It Rain? So this talks about like how big is a raindrop? Up to this big, this size is more usual. And then do all rainbows have the same stripes? Yes, but when a second rainbow appears above the first one, the stripes are flipped. So it kind of answers, it has questions along the way and then answers the questions. And then there is a page on, at least one flap, I guess one flap on tornadoes. So anyway, like I said, this one might not be a perfect fit, but we enjoy it. So I thought I'd show it to you. What makes it rain? This one is questions and answers about weather. Now, so this is like meant for, I'd say preschool age probably. This one's meant for older kids, so maybe 5 and up, I'd say. So same idea, it's asking questions and then answering them. So like, for example, what makes it rain? And then you flip it open and then it's giving you the information on what makes it rain. It talks about, there's a flap on hurricanes there. So questions like who, what, where, when, and why. My son actually really liked this one. It talks about the different like types of wind and how they classify it and how fast it is, that kind of thing. And so that is that one. So questions and answers about weather. And then this one, it's our from our beginner series. It's the science box set. There's 10 books in the set, and they're all hardcover. And my son is using these for school. I don't have all of them right now, but here's a good example of one. This is Earthquakes and Tsunamis. And it's great as a read aloud. And then when the 5-year-old gets older, they're fantastic at like, I'd say a 2nd grade level. They've been really valuable to my 2nd grader, my 7-year-old, because they're good for when kids are just starting to kind of read more independently. They're not, because you can see how they're nicely broken up into sections. It's not overwhelming to kids. Sometimes it's hard to find nonfiction that's like at a good reading level for kids, but this is really sort of has been good for him. So, and you know, high interest topics, living in space, planet Earth, the solar system, astronomy. I like the photographs in there. You can see. And then there's also the glossary in the back, and then there's quick links. So you can go to the Usborne site and they have links to, like, you can watch a volcano erupt and that kind of thing. So anyway, so that is part of our beginner set. And then I'm not sure how many people are on your list, how many kids, but I wanted to draw your attention to our customer special right now. When you spend $40, you can pick one book at a discount. This customer special I'm really excited about because these books are really cute. You know, like good for preschool age, I'd say, but my 5-year-old enjoys them. They're pretty basic for him, but he still enjoys them. Lift and Look Jungle. So like parrots are flapping around the jungle. Who's that hanging from a tree? And then you open the flap and then there's the like funny little monkeys. Like I said, they're too young for him, but he still enjoys looking at them. It's such a great value. That's why I wanted to show it to you because these books, are $9.99 a piece, but when you get it with a customer special, it just ends up being $19.99. So basically it's like buy 2, get 2 for free. So you could easily even split these up and give them as gifts if you're buying for, you know, neighbors' kids or, you know, that kind of thing. So anyway, hopefully this was helpful to you. Let me know if you have any questions.